In this tutorial we will show you the step-by-step process of moving old Thunderbird profile to new computer using the BitRecover Thunderbird Restore Wizard. To install our Thunderbird profile transfer tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. Here users will see Let me select my Thunderbird Mailbox data option to manually select the Thunderbird profiles to move. After selecting the folder, click the Select Folder option below. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to export. Click Next. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be moved. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the transfer process will begin. Once the transfer is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the transfer was successful. Click OK, and open Thunderbird. The transferred Thunderbird profiles will be saved under the Local Folders section. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.